Hakakat Pratrik Ubanai Rempang Mentau Snem Arhajar Arpoar. Kakan hun jongka SF dan Nasilong Kalawan Ban Ai Kublai Kadu Yalau Paralog Ubalaklat Kendet Ubana Kashnong Patar Kema. Iba Sandur Lang Marbenyang Udukot jongka kan hun SF dan Ulaklat Kendet Hakakan Riutrik Ubanai Rempang Mentau Snem Arhajar Arpoar. Haying sa jong u hapatar kema. Bad dia kemet basa jong u la ontep dan buram hakakat pratrik mentau ubenai. Hapatar kema hakabaka kenhun SF dan nasilong kalawan ban ai ya kesalmi kabi isyong kun hakate kesengi.
On behalf of the Commandant, officers, personnel, and staff, we present our condolence message to one of our personnel, the departed soul, Mr. Sandur Lang Marbenyang. Special Post 10. On this sad day, we realize how precious and dear life is to us, especially when someone very close to our hearts apart from us instantly. His sudden death was a shock to all of us and left us all unprepared. Late Sandung Nang Marbanyang, son of late Lord Thong R. Longrang, resident of Mainai, West Khasi Hills, was born as per a report on 23/8/1988 and was enlisted as Constable in Meghalaya Police on 1/7/2015. He had served in Meghalaya Police Force for 6 years, 7 months, and 15 days. During the time served, he was well loved and respected by all his peers and colleagues. We convey our sincere condolences to the bereaved family members and pray to God Almighty to give them the strength to make it through this difficult time. We, the officers and staff of Special Force 10, would like to share our deepest sympathy with the bereaved family, including all the near and dear ones. Late Sandung Marbanyang. He was a great soul. May he rest in peace. Stand with Sokret, Dinaslev, Salame, Chas. Sokret, Bagel, Chas.